Hi there, it's Anne from Shoptoit. Here at Shoptoit, our mission is simple. We build automated AI-powered tools that help agencies and small businesses grow by saving time, boosting engagement, and driving conversions. Today, I'm excited to share some of the newest chatbot builder features designed to make your bots more engaging, personal, and effective at converting visitors into customers. To get to them, log in to your merchant's account and navigate to Manage Chatbots via the left-hand navigation. Find your relevant chatbot and enter edit mode. First up, it's a very simple but personal and strictly cosmetic touch. Via toggle buttons, you now have the ability to toggle the bot icon on or off in your chat window. So it can show to the left of the bubble for a more traditional look, or you can remove it for a cleaner look. It's your choice. Next, new way for the bot to grab attention and encourage users to interact, the bot pop-up feature. Your first option is to show a subtle red, unread message button in the chatbot bubble. And second is to enter a custom pop-up message. This could be your main bot greeting, or you can customize it to say anything like, got questions, I'm here to help, or looking for today's specials maybe. And finally, we've added timed prompts to nudge visitors into action. Once the chatbot opens, or if you've set it to display automatically, you can configure up to 3 custom prompts. So the far left bubble is, it opens with my original chat invitation. After 15 seconds, I've set it to prompt, feel free to ask me anything you'd like to hopefully the user to engage with it. But really, you control the timing, you control the messaging and the sequences. Some examples may include still browsing, ask me anything, want to book an appointment, I can help, or don't miss our limited time offer. So there you have it. We're very excited about these new features. They give you more control over how your chatbot looks and works. And more importantly, they're designed to turn passive visitors into active customers. With automation doing the heavy lifting, you can grow your business and your impact confidently and at scale. We can't wait to see how you put these upgrades to work.